have done quite a few console tables, but in this video, I decided to share with you the same style of console tables, but in different colors and how much it changes the vibe to a room. And that's what we're going to do today. So without further ado, let's get started.
I want to get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I want to see the sun, dive into the deep ocean.
Hello everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Grace and I am self-proclaimed check obsessed and I will check just about anything. If you like this type of stuff, don't forget to head down to my description box for a list of many other videos that you might be interested in. Head on over to Instagram. I do post almost daily there, so you will, before you actually see things on my YouTube channel, you'll see them there first. And if this is your type of channel, please consider subscribing by hitting that red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. I have purchased 3 tables, the same style, and I have painted them all in different colors. I've made minor changes where I place certain artwork on the table because I want to show you how one piece, one style can change with different paints, can change the whole vibe of a room. And that's the purpose of this video. I've painted it in checks and I've done this absolutely gorgeous baby pink around here and here. And I've put some polka dots on the sides there, polka dots on the feet, and a little strip, and I've done the stripes on the side. And if you don't want to use it as a console table, you can definitely use it as a makeup table. You can put stools that tuck under here and you can have your makeup displayed here. This size is actually perfect for a small space. I mean, if you need more than this for your makeup, you're using way too much. Oh, I shouldn't say that, should I? Here, maybe you can stack it up. That sounds better. Stack it up. This next piece is in the same design, the checkered on top. The legs are the same. It does have the strips here. However, the color I've chosen to go around here is this beautiful, almost like a terracotta. I've done the edges all around and I've done the same strip on the bottom just above the feet. More Mediterranean vibe, if you will. It's definitely a more rustic look, if you will, but still with that same fun checkered vibe to it. It's not as girly as the pink. It's definitely a more intense color. This one reminds me of Europe. This one actually gives me a more, I don't know, it's so vibrant, so, it's like so full of life, just with the red. It's just a color. The style's all the same, but it's just a different vibe you get from a color. Oh, come on. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? And I really wanted to show you the difference. Now I'm going to put them all together and you tell me which one you like more, which one you like least. And here is the 3 of them together. So that's what I wanted to show you, how a little bit of color and a little bit of change can make a difference. The pink that is very girly, and then you've got this vibrant pop of red, and then you've got this beautiful terracotta. Maybe it's coming off as orangey because of the light, but it really isn't. Maybe up close I could maybe show you. Not sure if it's coming along. This handle, I've decided to keep it that color. This one over here, I decided to paint it the same as the gold. That one, I've decided to keep it just like that. Honey, which one is your favorite of all? 1, 2, or 3?
2.
2 is your favorite?
Yep.
And then what's your second favorite?
Probably that one. Probably that.
This one?
Yeah, and then this one last.
And then this one last.
This one's more girly, more feminine.
Ah, you're right. It is more girly. Yeah, very pretty. I'm a toss between first and second place with these 2. I love them both. And then this one would be a third place, but I love it. So leave me your comments below. Let me know which one you like best. Which one would you prefer? I'll give you a close-up of each. This one has the dots there, and so does this one, but this one does not. This one does not have anything here. This one has the gold. This one does not. It has the polka dots in the bottom, pink strip. This one over here has polka dots all the way up to the top. That one has polka dots halfway up, and then the orange or the terracotta. At the end of the day, if you find a piece of furniture that you love, not like, love, don't do it because you like it. Do it because you love it. And then what you do is you pick some colors that you love, not like, but love. And you look at that piece and you look at the colors that you have and you go to town. That's all I'm saying. Experiment with it. Who cares? It's only a piece of furniture, right? Go on Marketplace where it's pretty reasonable. Who cares? You're going to pay 10, 20, 30 bucks and you're going to buy the paint. I mean, you know, at the end of the day, you've spent maybe $40, $50. Yeah, it's a lot of money for some. But you have a piece that you did it yourself. You have a piece of furniture that you love. And you have the colors that you love. And you know what? Most important, you have pride that you did it yourself. Old furniture, let's face it, and it's kind of sad because the quality, the workmanship, you can take that piece of furniture and you can just totally transform it into today's decor. Think about it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other. Thank you for sticking with me, and be safe, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never, I wish I did. We'll see you next time.
So just stay for a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better.